We are in front of the church of San Miniato al Monte, one of the most beautiful places of the city of Florence, and San Miniato is one of the first saints, Christian saints. And in front of us there is the beauty of the city of Florence with its dome at the center. And now we are going to Piazzale Michelangelo. We are at Piazzale Michelangelo, one of the most beautiful places in the city of Florence. I remember when I was a child, I was here, always with my father and mother, and I was always shocked by the beauty of this place. You never get used to the beauty which surrounds you, the city of Florence. On the way down from Piazzale Michelangelo, you can stop at the so-called Giardino delle Rose, where a collection of beautiful roses are, One of the moments in Florence, joyful moments in Florence, I think, is breakfast. Typical breakfast, cappuccino and brioche. Cosimo?
Yes, I believe so.
Good breakfast. We are in front of the National Library, one of the most important libraries in Europe. Thinking that it holds more than 6 million volumes and around 4,000 manuscripts, starting from the printing press period middle of the 1400s. Biking is another way for living Florence, and of course within this new method you can observe the beauty of the city as well. Florence is the place where also you can taste the great ice cream, like in this case. Venchi is one of the most famous ones. This is Via Tornabuoni, the streets of luxury brand shopping, and on my back you have the beautiful Palazzo Strozzi, which is one of the most important Renaissance buildings in the city. And all over the street you have the main brands, Italian brands. We are in Palazzo Vettori. This is the Kent State University Florence facility. It is downtown Florence, very close to the Dome, which is the religious part of the city. And the building has been established in the middle of the 1400s under the auspices of the Medici. Welcome to Palazzo Vettori. In this rich context and beautiful building, we host more than 800 students each year. And as such, we are considered the largest American program in Florence. With one of the widest ranges of diverse course offerings, the Florence Center brings together students from across the world, studying more than 25 disciplines. Our international partnerships and global consortium members make Florence an intersection of intercultural scholarship and research. Kent State University has had a presence in Florence since 1972, but with outstanding faculty exquisite resources and the global reach of our programs, we are now poised to have an even brighter future. Palazzo Vettori is equipped with everything our students need, from a biology lab and lecture hall to fashion and architecture studios, as well as a beautiful courtyard.